In this video, I'm gonna show you how to join in a collaborated playlist on Spotify. It is very quickly and very easy, okay? First of all, I will point out that I'm doing the process on my Android, but it's the same process on your iPhone or your computer. The first thing you need to do is log on Spotify and log into your account, okay? After doing that, you need to ask to your friend to he send to you the link of a collaborative playlist. So he needs to click on the playlist, come to this option right here on the far option on the three dots. Okay, so on the three dots, swipe down until find invite collaborators. Okay, he needs to click right here, and after doing that, he needs to copy the link and send to you. Okay, he also can share on WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, Messenger, Snapchat, and so on. Okay, so he needs to copy the link and send to you. After you receiving the link, you just need to click on top, and that's it, you joined on a collaborative playlist on Spotify. I hope I helped you on how to join in a collaborative playlist on Spotify. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.